She left me on a Sunday. It was pouring rain. I was lost and broken, a candle without a flame. Now anytime the sky talks, it shines with all its light. It stops me in my tracks, it takes me back in time. And when it rains, I can still see the tears rolling down her face. And nothing's changed. It still hurts as bad as it did on that day when it rains. I can hear the thunder, I can see the wind. Every time it's turning gray, I feel the memories again. Some days are easy, the sun shines on my face. When the clouds are rolling in, I'm right back in that place. And when it rains, I can still see the tears rolling down her face. And nothing's changed. It still hurts as bad as it did on that day when it rains. I can see only silver lining to the slamming of a door. Yes, she knows I'll always love her, and she's not hurting anymore. But when it rains, I can still see the tears rolling down her face. And nothing's changed. It still hurts as bad as it did on that day